This is just for our 6-inch machinist rule. This one goes from down to 1/64 on the graduation there. I've had this one a number of years, and truth is, I've never actually bought one of these. These have always been, they used to be swag, so to speak. You'd be dealing with whatever company, and they'd send you these for free. It was a nice thing. Very, very handy to have around. Whatever you're measuring, I use them for checking cylinders too. If you want cylinders or heads or oil pumps or whatever, for a good, easy flat surface to get into to check really quick. If you can't fit your straight edge in there. So, for instance, this cylinder here, if we wanted to check it, we just take our feeler gauge and kind of try and fit it under the edge there. And this one is actually very straight. So sometimes what you'll get is out, especially out on the edges here, you'll get a little unevenness, so to speak, depending on what kind of cylinder or surface it is. But really good thing to have around. With a pocket protector, pop it in your pocket protector there, and you always have it. If you still use a pocket protector, I don't anymore, but I always used them in the past, because you keep your pens in there, you just grab it and just throw it in your pocket and go. And you've already got your pens and your little screwdriver, 6-inch steel rule.